Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boil an egg using an egg cooker. First, add the correct amount of water to the heating plate. This determines your egg's doneness. Next, position the egg holder. Then, gently pierce the large end of each egg with the small pin provided. This prevents cracking during cooking. Finally, place up to 7 eggs onto the holder, ensuring the pierced end faces up. Once your eggs are in place, securely cover the egg cooker with its lid. Now, simply plug the appliance into a standard electrical outlet. You will notice an indicator light turn on, confirming that the cooking process has started. The egg cooker is designed to automatically shut off once all the water has evaporated, ensuring your eggs are cooked perfectly without overcooking. The key to achieving your preferred egg doneness lies in the water measuring cup. For a delightful soft-boiled egg, fill the cup precisely to the soft line. If you prefer a medium-boiled egg, fill the water up to the medium marking. And for a perfectly firm, hard-boiled egg, ensure you fill the water to the hard line. This simple step guarantees consistent results every time. After the cooker signals completion, promptly transfer your hot eggs into a bowl of ice water. This crucial step immediately halts the cooking process and significantly aids in easier peeling. You can even peel them under cool running water for an even smoother experience. Now, your perfectly cooked eggs are ready to be enjoyed, whether as a quick snack or incorporated into your favorite recipe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.